Good evening, everyone. I'd like to play for you the Chopin Valse in C sharp minor at a medium tempo from memory with expression. So we'll see if we can do that. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to surrender into the key completely till I can feel not only the key pushing back at me, but a heartbeat, a pulse, like if you thought of a heart underneath there, that is pumping back at me. And that way I can massage it and keep the tempo going that way. So I have to surrender all the way down in to be able to feel that pulse. So I'm basically checking for a pulse all the time till it becomes natural. So here we go. A couple of big mistakes, but otherwise I've nearly got the memory, and I'm keeping it steadier by feeling a heartbeat underneath it while I sink in. Feeling that I've got something to massage and bring back to life in the going. So I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll talk to you again. Bye-bye.